One of the greatest improvements in HTML5 is how easy the language allows you to incorporate rich media in web pages. Previous versions of HTML depended on plugins, the embed tag, or Flash to play sound. The HTML5 specs make audio and video as easy as showing an image. Usually the problem with audio and video is that because of licensing issues, different browsers support different formats for audio and video encoding. This means that, for the most part, to make audio and video compatible with as many browsers as possible, you have to encode everything in multiple formats. Because we're working on iOS devices, we don't have to worry about all that. Safari on iOS supports uncompressed WAV and AIF audio files, as well as MP3 audio. Now here's a basic page. If we want to add audio to this page, all we have to do is include an audio tag. An audio tag is very much like an image tag. With the src component, we can add the location of the file. Now, audio doesn't really have an element like an image or text that you can do anything with. So in order to listen to our audio, we need to at least add controls. Once we add the controls attribute, we'll see the control for the audio come up where we can play and pause the audio. If you want a piece of audio to automatically play at the beginning when the page loads, you simply include autoplay. You can also include the word loop if you want a piece of audio to loop over and over. Although in a normal browser you can use the autoplay and the loop tag to control the playing of the audio, on an iOS device, those two controls do not work. Simply playing audio files is very easy with HTML5. However, more often than not, you need to be able to manage the playing of the audio in a more direct way. In this chapter, we'll build a more complicated audio player.